One way to access ParentConnect is by going to the website dearbornschools.org. At the top right, you will notice that there's a button that says ParentConnect, and that will take you to the login screen for ParentConnect. From there, you'll want to enter the PIN and password that was provided by your school. If you're not sure what the PIN and password are, please contact the school office. Once you've entered your PIN and your password, you'll notice that you see a list of all the students that you have enrolled in the Dearborn schools. You can click on any student to view their grades, attendance, and any other information that is specific to your student. Specifically grades. If you click on assignments, you'll notice that all of your students' classes are listed, and you should see a detailed list of each one of the assignments for that student's class. You'll notice that there might be a grade displayed for the overall grade, and you will see their score and their percentage on each one of the assignments.